know, we had a decent day yesterday, right? 88 to about 90, and then all of a sudden at 4 o'clock it went whoop, up to 93 degrees. That's what our official high was. Now we're back down to around 79, so relatively comfy this morning. The further north you are, the drier it is. Look at Ocala, it's 68 degrees, some dry air, feels great. 73 in Brooksville. Then you go southward and it's like 77, 79, more humidity over South Florida. We're kind of sitting in the middle here with moderate humidity and then low humidity across I-10. This is very, very typical when you get a front to try to come through in September, and it may make it as far as Lake Okeechobee, but the cooler air doesn't. The drier air punches in for a day or two, and that's what's going to happen. Drier air today, notice dew points in the 60s, and then they go right back to the 70s tomorrow, even the mid-70s by Thursday. So that front will just start to slide back to the north. That moisture will start to slide back to the north beginning tomorrow. So we'll have clouds and sunshine today. Here's what, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. A couple of isolated showers. Most of the activity will likely be down over South Florida. And then tomorrow, the rain chance starts to go up a little bit as we just bring more moisture back. But you know, in general, nothing significant, just a few little scattered showers and storms here and there. Hurricane Nigel still expected to go out to sea. The one that we're gonna have to watch is here off the southeast coast of the U.S. This big yellow circle. Somewhere in this circle, we're anticipating a low pressure system to begin to develop, acquiring maybe some subtropical characteristics. And then as it develops, it moves into the Carolinas sometime over the weekend. Not a threat for us. But what will happen is as this develops and moves into South Carolina, the counterclockwise flow will all of a sudden bring in all this drier air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. So any showers that we really get over the next few days will then just be shut down over the weekend as this low cranks up, develops, and potentially moves into South Carolina. So we'll watch that for those folks, but for us, it actually works against us in lowering our rain chances for the weekend. Partly cloudy, breezy, your high of 91 degrees today, a few isolated storms. Mild, pleasant tonight. How about mid to upper 70s? And then humid with a few scattered storms tomorrow. So the humidity will just slowly roll back in tomorrow with your high of around 91. North winds 10 to 15 knots today. So we do have a moderate chop on the coastal waters. Tides, high tide was at 4 o'clock this morning. Next 7 days, rain chances go as high as 40%. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But then over the weekend, they drop right back down to 20%.